Hi, I'm Carolyn Forster, and today we're going to be continuing our journey along the road to hand, or the road with hand piecing. So hand piecing, if you can get the hang of the basic skills, it's going to open up a lot more blocks that you can stitch. One of those blocks that's always been a real favourite of mine is the castle wall block, and I like it because you can make it look so different every time you make it. So there's a couple of little examples here that you can see, just to sort of see how different. I know they're different fabrics, but also you've got different things emphasised. We've got a solid centre on this one. We've got more background here. There are a couple of little pattern variations and pattern pieces depending on how much you want to stitch. Nice pink and turquoise. Okay. Just gives you a little bit of a smidgen. You can do some nice fussy cutting on some of these pieces. Fussy cutting is always great with them hand piecing. And this one in the middle, instead of it being the octagon, it's actually composed of triangles to make up that octagon. And again, you can use that with fussy cutting as well. And then there's another one here with